I actually started Mel Marie Skincare because Mel had a lot of acne when she was younger.
Basically from there we just kept growing, and there would be 3 days in a row where I would do nothing but print labels from different printers all day long.
So we had a lot of people saying, like, in the showers they were noticing like body wash labels were running. You could see some, and it wasn't a lot, but it was enough that it just made it look sloppy. That's when I met Joe. We ended up having about a 2-hour conversation about labels, and I was like, this is amazing. I think we finally found somebody who's going to be able to help us get this figured out for us and be able to launch us into it. And the thing that he did the most for us was be able to put a clear coating on them to make them completely waterproof. That was the biggest game changer. I can't even tell you how excited we were when those first labels came out.
We were like ripping labels apart and like trying it on this bottle.
Right.
And he was like, no matter what you guys decide, we will make this work. So for sure, it's nice to have a partner in it and somebody that's going to help you, rather than just like going online and ordering something that you don't even know is going to work in the first place. And you spend all that money and then have to throw it away or whatever. That's, I think, what we love most about them, is that they're there for us like every step of the way, from like even like the designing the labels and like every facet of it. He's there to help us out, which has been really nice.